Hi guys, with our new breakdown video. Since the working principles of all brand and model devices are the same, the solutions are very easy. I am waiting for your questions about all brands from the comments. If the freezer section of your refrigerator cools very well but the food section does not, we will see the simple solution together. You will be very surprised when you see the easy solution and cost-free repair. Let's see it right away. According to our research, the fan that distributes the cold air at the point where the cold radiator in the freezer passes can malfunction. Let's see if the part we got from the service will work. Our channel is a repair channel. If you write the problem of your faulty electronic devices in the comments, I can show you the most affordable solution as soon as possible. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. I will share with you a problem that we will encounter in all our brand and model devices and its solution. You should also see the positive comments in our other videos. In all of our repair processes, we repaired our device very easily and cost-free, and you can fix your faults by following the steps I have done. If this is not the solution, I am waiting for your brand and model information in the comments for my other step suggestions. Our expert team will answer your questions in a few minutes. If you follow my steps on the video step by step, your fault will be solved easily and at the lowest cost. You will be very surprised when you see the easy solution and cost-free repair. Let's see it right away. Since the working principle of all brand and model devices is the same, our expert staff is waiting to answer any questions you may have regarding installation and repair. We assemble our device and try it again and see the result together. It was a great solution, a happy development. Our device works very well.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share our video with your friends that you want to benefit from. If you write your questions and opinions in the comments, your other brand model printer computer scanner problems, I will reply as soon as possible for the solution. Thanks.